Hi learners, welcome to our another new session. Hope you all are doing very well and practicing your lessons regularly. So, today we are going to learn the name of 10 islands with their proper spellings and pronunciations. Now, here we go. Number 1, Andaman and Nicobar Island. A N D A M A N Andaman, A N D and N I C O B A R Nicobar, I S L A N D Island, Andaman and Nicobar Island. Number 2, Greenland. G R E E N L A N D Greenland. Number 3, Great Britain. G R E A T Great, B R I T A I N Britain, Great Britain. Number 4, Victoria Island. V I C T O R I A Victoria, I S L A N D Island, Victoria Island. Number 5, Baffin Island. B A F F I N Baffin, I S L A N D Island, Baffin Island. Number 6, Madagascar. M A D A G A S C A R Madagascar. Number 7, Honshu Island. H O N S H U Honshu, I S L A N D Island, Honshu Island. Number 8, Sumatra. S U M A T R A Sumatra. Number 9, Phuket. P H U K E T. Phuket. Number 10. Bali. B A L I. Bali. Thanks for watching. Please stay tuned to learn more. If you are finding my videos helpful, share them with others. Please do visit my channel, subscribe it, watch my videos, like them, and keep learning. Have a good day. Be healthy and happy. Bye bye. See you in the next video.